Hello and welcome back to the final part of our month-long European summer holiday, towing our twin-axle caravan. We're a family of 3 who love to go on holiday and share our travels with you. Well, we've just left the campsite and we're on our way to the old favourite of Bordelane near Reims. We left the site at about 9:15 this morning and we're just on the toll road now. So we'll catch you there at Old Bordelane. We have arrived now at our old faithful site, Old Bordelane, just outside of Reims. And we've just had some lunch, we pitched up. We arrived here just before 2 o'clock, so it took us about 4.5 hours from leaving the last campsite, which I'll pop just below, to this site. We had a really good journey, which was good. And we are on a different pitch today. We're on this pitch, it's a lovely one, getting some shade under the willow tree. We've just had some lunch and are chilling. We're closer to a different shower block over on this pitch, so we'll have to check that one out. We've not really checked it out before. We're just going for a walk now to the local supermarket to get something for dinner, and then I'm going to chill back at the caravan. Good morning, I'm just off to go and get the croissants and pain au chocolat for the last time as we then head off for the tunnel. You can just write your name down on a piece of paper at the reception desk for what you want to order from the boulangerie. But everything is €1.50 each. That's good, they're even still warm. I think they're just from the boulangerie in the village that we went and got those delicious cakes from yesterday. It's got a small shop inside there selling the basics, but it's only a short walk to Caravan anyway from the site. That's why it's so ideal.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
check-in is really well signposted as you arrive at Le Shuttle. They checked Trixie's pet passport that she had her tapeworm treatment within the time frame for returning to the UK and scanned her microchip. If you have any questions about taking your dog abroad, please drop them in the comment box below and I'd be happy to share our experience with you. As I know the first time we took Trixie, I was nervous, making sure that I double checked and triple checked that we'd done everything correctly. Well, that was good going. We left O'Bordelane at, 10:15, and by 12:40 we are all checked in with Trixie at Pet Reception, and they managed to get us onto an earlier tunnel now at 1:50, which is even better. Jamie and Maisie have just nipped to the toilet just inside the duty-free terminal building, which is just there, and then we're going to proceed to the tunnel. We simply followed the signs for large vehicles and then joined the queue to board our train. After a short 35-minute journey, we were soon back in Blighty. Let me know in the comments what you prefer. Do you prefer travelling by ferry or getting the tunnel? Many thanks for watching and following our journey on our 2025 summer adventure. Please do look back at our other videos if you haven't seen them previously. They're linked in the playlist. If you have enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps it to grow. Many thanks for watching and take care.